Welcome Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Regional Office Jabalpur E-Content Class 12th Subject IP Under Unit 1 Data Handling Using Pandas Part 1. Today we will discuss the topic text CSV file. A CSV is a comma separated values file which allows data to be saved in a tabular format. CSV is a simple file such as a spreadsheet or database. Files in the CSV format can be imported and exported from programs that store data in tables such as Microsoft Excel or OpenOffice. CSV files data files fields are most often separated or delimited by a comma. Here the data in each row are delimited by comma and individual row are separated by the new line. To create a CSV file, first choose your favorite text editor such as Notepad and open a new file. Then enter the text data you want the file to contain, separating each value with a comma and each row with a new line. Save the file with the extension .csv. You can open the file using MS Excel or another spreadsheets program. It will create the table of similar data. I will show you. Start open Notepad. Notepad. You can write empid, comma, ename, comma, doj, enter for new line. So first one become a heading 101 Roman, comma 07 09 2007. Enter the next row or next line. Next row we can say in a database Anya, comma 27 2011. Enter 103, comma Ani, comma 05 07 2012 and file and save as. Click on save as. Where you want to save it, you save it. We are saving it on F drive here. You can save any drive. Okay, here I am writing here CSV file .csv. You have to give the extension here. They have given emp.csv. We can also give the emp.csv. Save. We have saved it. We can see the data, the CSV file where we saved it. F drive. You can see here, this is the your file. This is emp file is there. You can open it in. It will open in MS Excel. Look, it will open here in MS Excel. The CSV file we made in a Notepad by separated by comma, and it will open in MS Excel. It's Excel file. I am closing it and save it. No need. So this is the we can make the file. Now how can we open that file in our Python? So we write here in Python we have to open the, we just created the Notepad file CSV file. Now you open the Python here and you write here import pandas as pd df data frame we are creating df by pd dot read अंडरस्कोर CSV। हम CSV फाइल को रीड कर रहे हैं। वो फाइल है कहाँ पर, उसका पाथ क्या है हमारे पास, इन डबल कोट्स इट इज़ इन F कॉलन emp.csv and you will see the df it converted in data frame. You can see that file CSV file it has come here, means you can see like that dp.read CSV file and the data frame, means the CSV file we can convert in data frame. Now exporting data from data frame to CSV, हमने अभी पढ़ा कि CSV फाइल से डेटा फ्रेम कैसे बनाना, अब हम पढ़ेंगे डेटा फ्रेम से CSV फाइल कैसे बनाना है। To export data frame into a CSV file, first of all we create a data frame, say df cells, and use data frame to CSV data frame 1 method to export the data. I will explain you. So we have made one here dictionaries, year 1205, year 2016, 3 dictionaries are there, and one more dictionaries we made by these dictionaries, and df cells, this is the data frame we created, and we write here df cells dot to CSV, and we will give the full location or full path of that file with the name of that file, and file will create here. You can see here, this is our CSV file. This is our CSV file, and I am just writing this. These are the data frame, and I am to saving its f colon data frame dot CSV. Its name हम इसका नाम क्या दे रहे हैं, data frame dot CSV. ओके, आप यहाँ पर हम इसको साइड में ये ओपन कर लेते हैं एक बार। यहाँ देखिए आप, इस F ड्राइव में कोई भी ये फाइल डेटा फ्रेम डॉट CSV फाइल अभी नहीं है, ठीक है। तो अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि इस फाइल को यहाँ हमने ले लिया, ये ले लिया यहाँ पर इस फाइल को, और मैं साइड में इसको ओपन करके आपको दिखाऊंगा F ड्राइव EMP, and I am running it, run module. You can see here file created and file created in F colon. Look here, data frame dot. You can see this data frame. This data frame is same as the table, Excel table, same as we have created. Look here, this is your data frame. The data frame convert into the CSV फाइल, ठीक है। एक बार फिर से मैं बता देता हूँ आपको क्या करना है। आपको हमें एक डेटा फ्रेम के लिए पूरी कोडिंग करनी है, डिक्शनरी बनाकर डिक्शनरी को हमने डेटा फ्रेम में कन्वर्ट कर दिया। देन एक आप देख लीजिए कि आपका डेटा फ्रेम क्या है, फिर ओनली टू CSV, और जिस पाथ में आपको ले जाके उसको सेव करना है। मैंने यहाँ C दिया हुआ था, आप जिस भी जगह पर जाके उसका फाइल का पूरा पाथ देंगे और फाइल का नाम .csv देंगे तो वो जाके फाइल वहाँ पर सेव हो जाएगी।